Welcome to DMC's Media Skills for the Real World. This is your channel for practical training, tutorials, and knowledge that prepares you for real job sites. Today, we're covering one of the most essential machines in heavy construction, the crawler dozer. From safety to operating controls to environmental hazards, we'll guide you step by step. And don't miss the quiz at the end to test your knowledge. Before starting any crawler dozer, safety is priority number one. These powerful machines demand a disciplined, safety-first mindset. Neglecting fundamental checks can lead to serious incidents, so let's cover the essentials for a safe shift. Here are the essentials: personal protective equipment, PPE. This is your first line of defense. Always wear a hard hat, high-visibility vest, steel-toe boots, gloves, and hearing protection. Each piece protects against a specific job site hazard, so wear them all. Next, a thorough pre-operation inspection. Walk around the machine, checking for leaks, track condition, and blade wear. Verify all fluid levels like engine oil, coolant, and hydraulic fluid. This simple routine prevents major failures and costly downtime. Now for the cab check. Ensure the cab is free of debris that could interfere with controls. Adjust your mirrors for full visibility, fasten your seatbelt, and confirm the fire extinguisher is charged and accessible. Your cab is your command center. Keep it secure. When mounting and dismounting, always use 3 points of contact. Face the machine and use the steps and handles. This means 2 hands and a foot or 2 feet and a hand are always secure. Never jump off. It's a common cause of easily avoidable injury. Communication is vital. Use radios or established hand signals and be aware of the large blind spots. Before moving, make eye contact with ground crew and get a clear signal. Never assume they see you. This simple step prevents tragedies. A crawler dozer is powerful. Respect it, and it will perform for you. These safety habits protect everyone on site. Forget safety and accidents happen fast. Your vigilance is the most important safety feature. Stay alert and stay safe. Let's step inside the cab and look at the operating controls of a modern crawler dozer. Before starting, get familiar with the layout. Understanding each function is the first step towards safe and productive operation. Ignition and startup. Key switch or push button. Ensure the brake is engaged, then wait for diagnostic lights to cycle before cranking. This allows the machine's computer to run a self-check on critical systems, preventing potential fault codes. Steering controls. Joysticks or levers. Control track speed and direction. Push forward to go straight. For a gradual turn, ease back on one joystick. For a sharp counter rotation, push one stick forward and pull the other back to spin the dozer in place. Blade control joystick. Forward back lowers and raises the blade. Left right tilts the blade, perfect for starting a ditch. Twist the joystick to angle the blade, if equipped with a pat blade, which is ideal for windrowing material to the side. Throttle and modes. Most dozers are electronically controlled. Select economy mode for light work like finish grading to save fuel. For heavy pushes, switch to power mode for maximum force. A decelerator pedal can also be used for precise maneuvering in tight spaces. Gear selection. Some are automatic hydrostatic for seamless speed changes. Others use preset speed ranges. Parking brake. This is a critical safety feature. Always engage it when stopping or exiting the cab. Never rely on hydraulics to hold the machine on an incline. Operate smooth, not jerky. Abrupt movements put unnecessary stress on the machine and will ruin your grade. A jerky blade can create a dip that takes extra time to fix. Small controlled inputs protect the machine and the grade, ensuring a professional finish. Operating a crawler dozer isn't just about moving dirt, it's about protecting people and the environment. Dust and noise pollution. Use water trucks for dust control. Limit idling to reduce noise and emissions. Fuel and oil spills. Refuel in designated areas with spill kits available. Wildlife and habitats. Avoid disturbing marked areas. Stay within designated work zones. Soil erosion. Use proper grading techniques to prevent runoff issues. Throughout this tutorial, we've covered the critical foundations of crawler dozer operation. We started with safety, emphasizing the pre-start walk-around inspection. We then moved into the cab, demonstrating the primary operating controls. We also discussed your responsibility to protect the job site by identifying environmental hazards like fluid leaks, and underscored the life-saving importance of always calling dig safe before breaking ground. Now it's time to put that knowledge to the test. Let's see if you can answer these key questions about safe and effective operation. What is the first thing you should do before operating a dozer? When traveling on a slope, what direction should you drive? To prevent soil contamination, what should you regularly check for on your machine? Thanks for joining us. Remember these core principles. Safety first ensures you and your team go home every day. Respect the machine by understanding its power and limitations, and always dig safe to prevent disaster. Mastering these fundamentals is the key to a successful career as an operator. If you found this tutorial valuable, help our community of skilled professionals grow. Hit that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe to DMC's media for more real-world skills. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, stay safe and keep building.